What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to do a gaming review of a Xiaomi Redmi Note 5A Prime. Actually this is the Prime model, and this is having 3 GB of RAM, and it is having the Snapdragon 425, and it is with a fingerprint sensor. And the ordinary Redmi Note 5A has 2 GB of RAM, the Snapdragon 425, and it does not have this fingerprint sensor. So let's move into this gaming review, and you can see we have a set of 6 games here. Three of them are casual games, and then we have some heavier games to test out the real performance of this device. We have an application here, and let's open this application and let's go into the battery. And you can see the battery level is at 86%, and the temperature of the device is at 19.8 Celsius. And the device is cold. Actually the weather outside here is very cold, that's why the temperature is so low, and we expect some increase in this temperature while we are playing games, and a drop in the battery percentage. So let's start with our first game. In the very beginning we have the Temple Run 2, and let's start playing this game. And you can see this is the Temple Run 2, and let me just start playing this game, and let me tell you about the performance of this device and how good does it feel to play the games on this device. So the display is good, there is a crisp in this device, and with such a low price tag to give such a performance is very difficult. And Xiaomi is a great company, and it brings such devices which are at low price and they give good performance. And you can see this game is going very great, there is no lag, everything is just smooth and perfect. The display is very beautiful too, there is nothing wrong with the display, everything is just perfect, the performance is great. And let's see how good this game can be played, and we will test out 3 different casual games on this device first, and after that we will check out the battery percentage and the temperature of the device, and we will see how much does these 3 games can heat this device and drain the battery. So let's this gameplay finish, and after that we will check out these things. So let's move to the next game, and next one is the color switch, and let's play this game too. The sound on this device is quite loud, and the color production is just awesome. I can say that this is a very beautiful display with such a low price tag, and this is one of the best display you can buy in this price range. And right now we are playing the color switch, and let this gameplay finish too. So let's check out the temperature of the device and the percentage of the device. You can see the battery level has only drained to 1% and it is now on 84 percentage, and the temperature actually has risen quite a bit and it is on 26.3 Celsius. Initially it was on 19.8 Celsius. So we have seen the increase in battery temperature quite a bit, but the back of the device is still cold. I am not feeling any kind of hotness on the back of the device. The device is itself cold, but the battery is getting hotter, and it has not yet reached to the room temperature level, which is the 27 Celsius. So it is still below that temperature. It means it is doing great. And let's move to the Asphalt 8, which is a heavier game, and test out some kind of heavier performance on this device, that how good this device can handle the heavier games. So let's start playing this game too. And you can see the game has started, and let's go into the carrier mode. And let me tell you here that many devices when I was playing this game did not perform very well, and they were lagging on this only on this game, like Mate 10 Lite and OPPO F5. So this one is a very heavy game, and on this cheap device with Snapdragon 425 and 3 GB of RAM, let's see how well Xiaomi has optimized its software to play this game. It will be very interesting to see if this device can play this game good, and it will be just an awesome test for this game to be played on this device. And let's begin. The game is just starting now, and we are just about to start the game. And let's see what we have inside this game. The sound quality is very awesome. It is actually very loud, but it is not of that good quality. So let's start playing this game, and after this game we will check out the battery percentage and the temperature of the device. And up till now this device is doing great. The frame rate is very awesome, the graphics are intense, and they are shown on this display that this display is of good quality. And up till now it is very good experience to play this game on this device, and there is no lag. You can see everything is just going smooth and perfect. And let's see how this device finishes on this game, and I am very much interested to see the performance of this game on this device, as other devices have completely failed to do it better in that low price range. So let's see at the end, and you will be the judge here. So let this gameplay finish. Now let's check out the temperature of the device and the battery percentage, and you can see it has dropped only 2% of the battery. It was 84 and now it is 82 now, and the temperature actually has risen on the battery. It is now 29.6 Celsius, and almost 4 Celsius have been increased, but the back is still cold, which is very good to know. And the performance of Asphalt 8 on this device was just awesome. Everything was great. There was no lag. The frame rate was awesome. The graphics were up to the mark. Everything was just awesome on this device playing this game, and it is very much great, and I highly appreciate playing this game on this device, that such a cheap device can give so much performance out of the device, and hands on to the Xiaomi for optimizing their software for such heavy games. That's it for this game. And now let's move to the next game, which is the Modern Combat 5, and let's check out the performance of this game too. So let's start playing this game too, and it will be very interesting to see the performance of this game on this device. So that's not good in my opinion. The start is not that good as it was on the Asphalt 8. There is clearly a lag I can see, and I can say you can also appreciate this lag, and I am feeling this lag on this game, and the graphics are also somewhat mixing up on this game, and they are quite lighter while playing this game. They are not good. So you should be the judge here. You should judge this game while playing, that how this game is feeling while playing. Let this gameplay finish, and after that we will decide that how was the experience playing this game on this device. And you can see the graphics are kind of faded on this device. I don't know what's the reason why they are not that good on this device. So let's see what happens, how this device ends while playing this game. And it is also quite slower. I can feel it, that it is not moving. The gyroscope is actually not moving that fast. Maybe the sensitivity is not increased in the settings, and it may be some kind of hardware problem that it is not supporting this game very well. So let this gameplay finish now, and we will check the battery temperature and the battery level at the end of this gameplay.
Let's get out of here. We've got company. Keep on firing. Shit! Chopper! More incoming. Keep them off us. Fuck! Keep on firing, goddammit! I think we're in the clear! Oh shit! Hit it! Backup is on the way. Hold tight. Hold tight! I need immediate backup! They're all over us! Right to the bottom! We need backup now! Falling back! We're in the clear!
So you can see the battery has dropped only 2%. It is now at 80%, and the temperature actually this time is lower than it was previously on Asphalt 8. It is now on 28.5 Celsius. This is very interesting that the battery temperature has not increased. Actually it has gone down than the previous temperature, and the back is still cold. That is very awesome, that it is not heating the device, and everything was just good while playing this game. So but the performance of the game itself was not up to the mark. There was clear lag, and the graphics were not that good with this device, but the Asphalt Ace was just top notch on this device. Let's play the final game, which is the Real Racing 3, and let's see how this game can perform. And let's start this final gameplay on this device and check out the performance of this game too. And the graphics on this game are actually good. The color production is just awesome. So in this case it is not that bad as it was with the Modern Combat 5. So let this gameplay finish, and the frame rate is just good. It is not bad, and everything just going smooth and perfect. So let this gameplay finish, and after that we will check out the battery percentage and the temperature of the device. So you can see the temperature has now increased to 29.3 Celsius. It is kept in this range, and battery has only dropped to 79%. Actually, this was very short gameplay. So that's it, guys. This was the gaming review of a Xiaomi Redmi Note 5A Prime, which is 3 gigabytes of RAM and Snapdragon 425 with a fingerprint sensor. And it was a very good experience playing different games on this device, except the Modern Combat 5, in which it failed to show that level of graphics, and there was clear lag. But with Asphalt 8 and Real Racing 3, it was just awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.